Hi, Assalamualaikum. Annyeonghaseyo. So, welcome back. Today we are going to make tteokbokki. So, stay tuned, guys. So, basically, these are the ingredients. So, what we need to have are an instant tteokbokki, scallion, cabbage, triangle fish cakes, a paste, and also an anchovy broth. So, this is how to make a paste. So basically I will use like 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoon of gochujang, and 2 tablespoon of gochugaru. So if let's say you want to add more spiciness to your tteokbokki, kita boleh tambah extra gochugaru. So let's cooking. Oops, kejap. Sebelum kita start masak, I just want to show you guys how the anchovy broth looks like. So here it is. This is how I did my own anchovy broth or mochiyuksu by the Koreans. I use leek shiitake mushrooms, onions and garlic. And oh, not to forget, kita punya ikan bilis. Well, normally Koreans make their anchovy broth by using some of dry kelp, or we call it as dashima. Since kita tak ada that kind of kelp ataupun seaweed, so kita letak bahan-bahan yang ada je. But still, it smells good. Well, no wonder lah most of the Koreans food very flavorful and tasty. We will boil this broth for 40 minutes and kita akan tapis segala ingredients dia. First step, tuang anchovy broth. Well, I'm not really sure on the exact amount of the anchovy broth, but I used to have like 2 to 3 cups of the anchovy broth for my 300 grams of tteokbokki. So what's next? Senang je. Campak je paste yang kita dah buat tadi. And don't forget to stir it well. So, kita kacau sampai dia sebati. Macam ni tau. Okay, once kita dah kacau sampai sebati, kita masukkan kita punya triangle fish cakes. Mesti ramai yang curious kan, ini fish cake yang macam dalam oden tu ke? No, it is not. Literally, I use this triangle fish cake to replace that kind of fish cakes that normally used in tteokbokki. So, no worries guys, senang je nak dapat fish cakes ni. Next is our sliced cabbage. So, cabbage ni kalau you nak letak banyak-banyak pun tak kisah. It's up to you. It's your own recipe, right? Apa kita nak letak lepas ni? Our rice cakes. This is how tteokbokki looks like. So this is the tips on how to make this dish. Selalunya kita akan masak from 15 to 20 minutes sebab this tteokbokki itself rasa dia sangat liat dan kenyal. And that 15 to 20 minutes is just a minimum cooking time. Basically, most of the Koreans akan masak from 30 to 45 minutes. Barulah sedap. Wow, we almost done guys. So, bila tteokbokki tu dah nampak lembut, kita campak scallions. And tada! Yay! Finally, our tteokbokki is done. Ya Allah, trust me, this tteokbokki tastes so good. And guys, don't forget to serve it with hard-boiled eggs and sprinkle it with some roasted sesame. Alright, bon appetit! Annyeonghaseyo!